Hello, hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm here with there's a cat in the room. There's always a cat in the room. You can put your money on that every time. But what we're doing today is this little short video to announce the winner of my mystery box giveaway from last week. And today is the 10th of July. So we announced the winner today. It might not get posted till the 11th, but you know, life is hard. But the winner has 48 hours to get in touch with me I'll put an email address and my Instagram down below. And either one of those ways is good to get in touch with me to claim their prize. The winner is Jen Warschauer. I'm really bad with pronunciations. But Jen, congratulations. You win a fabulous mystery box full of goodies. You need to respond within 48 hours. If you don't respond within 48 hours, then someone else will be picked as the winner. And when you respond, please leave me your name and your address so I can get that sent out to you this week. Have a great day, everyone, and there'll be another giveaway really soon.